Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we will learn how to integrate Calendly and AWeber. So our use case is pretty simple. When a new invitee is created in Calendly, it will automatically create a subscriber in AWeber. Now Calendly is an awesome appointment scheduling software and AWeber is an awesome email marketing tool. So what we are going to do is we are going to send the data from Calendly to AWeber. But there is one minor problem. Of course, there is some kind of integration between Calendly and AWeber, but this native integration is actually very limited. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to properly connect them both. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate Calendly and AWeber. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen. Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect and then click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So you just have to clone the template of its workflow, which is available in the description box. Once you clone the template, you will get immediate access to this amazing workflow in your account. Okay, so scroll down and at the bottom you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I am going to give it as Calendly to AWeber. Calendly to AWeber. And then just click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Calendly, because we want to send the data from Calendly, that is why. Okay, so now in the trigger event, how about we make it as invitee created. Okay, so invitee created is basically a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question: if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new invitee is created, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there is one more trigger event, that is invitee cancelled, this one. However, in case if you want more triggers of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to build. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new invitee is created in Calendly. Okay, so just click on connect with Calendly. In the new credentials, we have to fill in the API key. So to get the API key, let's have a visit to Calendly. So this is my Calendly account. Here, let's go to this part called as integrations. Click this. Okay, so this is the integrations page and this is your API key. Simply click on copy key. Okay, so the API key has been copied and pasted here. Okay, so we have pasted our API key. Just click on save. Okay, so when you click on save, you will find the webhook URL. Now, usually what happens is that after choosing the app and after choosing the trigger event, so what we do here is we just copy this webhook URL and paste it inside the trigger software. But here you don't have to do it because we have already built a connection with the help of API key. So now when you click on save and send test request, the webhook will be created automatically. The data will be sent to this URL without us going and pasting this URL in the trigger software manually. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing a particular ID. Okay, so at this point, we have successfully integrated Calendly to Pabbly Connect. This means whenever a new invitee is created in Calendly, Pabbly Connect has to capture the data. So as to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures this data, let me click on this button, capture webhook response. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to create a dummy invitee in Calendly. So this is the event, that is physics lecture. I'm just going to copy this link and open this in a new tab. Okay, opening this in a new tab, pasting it here. Okay, so this is the event, that is physics lecture, and the invite is on Saturday 20. Okay, and it's on 1 p.m. Let me confirm it. Okay, so the name of the person is Bill Gates. Bill Gates. Okay, so this is the email, Bill Gates 1991 @gmail.com. Okay, and this is the phone number of Bill Gates, 13132. Okay, and then we have the description. So the Bill Gates writes this description: please clear doubts on atomic physics. Okay, so let me just click on schedule event. Okay, so an invitee has been scheduled with this person called as 𝗪𝗵𝘆 for the event physics lecture. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to Pabbly Connect to check whether the data has been captured. So let's have a look. Okay, so as you can see, the event is invitee created and the data has indeed been captured, and the event is physics lecture. Okay, so let us scroll down and check the data. Okay, so this is the phone number of the invitee, and then we have the person's name. Okay, so where is the person's name? Okay, so the name is Bill Gates, and this is the email address of Bill Gates, billgates1991 @gmail.com. Excellent. So basically we have got sufficient data to create a subscriber in AWeber. Now to create a subscriber in AWeber, all you have to do is just click on this plus button. Okay, so when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as AWeber? Okay. Okay, so now in the action event, we just want to create a subscriber. So let's make it as add a subscriber. Now there are 10 more of action events like move a subscriber, update a subscriber, find list, and so on. All of them are a bunch of action events. Now, just like the triggers, if you don't find the action event according to your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific action event that you want to build. But at present, I just want to add a new subscriber in AWeber. Okay, so just click on connect with AWeber. Okay, so again in the new credentials, just again click on connect with AWeber. Okay, so now Pabbly Connect is demanding access to my AWeber account. So before you click on allow access, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. Okay, on the basis of that trust, just click on allow access. Okay, incredible. It's showing that the authorization is successful. Just click on OK. Okay, so when you click on OK, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of this blank is very simple. We are going to create a subscriber from the data that we have received from Calendly via Pabbly Connect. So for example, in the account ID, it is showing it as a particular ID. So this ID belongs to my AWeber. Okay, so let's keep it like that. And in the list ID, there is only one list, that is 𝗪𝗵𝘆 list. Okay, so this is the list I have. Okay, so there is only one list, that is 𝗪𝗵𝘆 list. Okay, yeah, this one. So now in the full name, we are just going to map in the full name. So let me introduce you to this button. This is called as the mapping button. When we click this, you will find all the data that we have received from Calendly. So let me scroll down and let me find the name, that is Bill Gates. Okay, so let's check Bill Gates. Okay, so we have mapped the full name. Then we have the email, and we are going to map in the email. So this is the email. No, not this one. I'm sorry, this is my email with which I have registered in my Calendly account, logged in my Calendly account. So where is our Bill Gates 1991? That was the, yes, this is the email, invite email, billgates1991 @gmail.com. Okay, so basically we have entered the full name and email, so that's quite sufficient to create a subscriber. Now there is something you should know about AWeber. Now of course we will add this person as a contact in AWeber, but without this person's permission, he or she can't be added as a subscriber. Basically he has to accept that he is being added as a subscriber. Okay, so let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing that the data has been sent. So so let us have a look. Okay, so the name was Bill Gates, right? Okay, so this is email, and then we have Bill Gates 1991 @gmail.com. Okay, so let me search. Okay, so indeed there is a contact called as Bill Gates, and this is the email billgates1991@gmail.com. But at present the status is it is showing it as pending. Okay, so my point is very simple. As you can see, the status is just showing it as pending, not being subscriber. So this is because unless Bill Gates confirms himself manually as a subscriber, he won't be shown as a subscriber, or the status won't be shown as a subscriber. Okay, but it's okay. The presence of this contact shows that we have successfully integrated Calendly and AWeber with help of Pabbly Connect. So how about we double check if our integration is working fine or not. But before we do that, let me go to Pabbly Connect and let me show you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So I'm going to minimize my action window, and I have minimized my trigger window. Okay, so basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Calendly to Pabbly Connect, and then you have integrated Pabbly Connect to AWeber. So now there is a perfect flow of data between Calendly and AWeber. Excellent. So I'm going back to Calendly, copying this link, opening this in a new tab. Okay, and let's make it on Friday 19th, 9:30 a.m. confirm. Okay, so the name of the person is Barbie. Okay, and the email is 𝗪𝗵𝘆𝗣𝗯𝗯𝗹𝘆 and this is the phone number. Okay, and then we have the description: help me with physics. Okay, schedule event. Okay, so the event has been scheduled. So let's have a look in the subscriber. Do we have a Barbie? So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to remove this. Okay, and search as an email Barbie123@gmail.com. Okay, so let me search. Of course, there is a contact called as 𝗪𝗵𝘆123@gmail.com, but the status is still showing it as pending, because unless Barbie herself confirms that she is going to be a subscriber, the status will be still shown as pending. Okay, so our integration is working absolutely fine. This means anytime a new invitee is created in Calendly, it will be reflected as a contact in AWeber.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.